Dr. Anita Hawk Parker here. I'm excited to invite you to our next live training coming up in a few weeks. Make sure you register because we are going to tackle at any size you may be how to effectively deliver a diversified side posture kick adjustment. This is an adjustment that I really had to make sure I delivered well as a 5'1", 110-pound female when I first started. And I have made sure that we can help our patients better with lumbar conditions, sciatic pain, sacral issues, pelvic conditions, and it can be mastered with some simple step-by-step directions that I'm going to provide you when you visit us for our live webcast. Hopefully we'll see you there. Make sure you register. There's a limited number of spots. So let's improve our patients' lives even further by delivering an even better side posture kick adjustment. I'll see you there.